Hello friends, today I like to discuss a new Facebook page creation which will be discussed shortly step by step using your mobile phone. So let us start and thoroughly step by step how to create a new Facebook page. First we will go to Facebook icon. First we will click on it. We will click on it. Then our Facebook account is opened. After that we will go to top right corner of this page, that is indicated by three lines. We will go over there and tap on that. A page will be opened and there will be a lot of icons, rectangular icons. Just go down and just at the bottom of the page you will see a icon, that is pages, like this. You have to click on that. Now I will click on this icon, page icon. Then a page, new page is opened. It is written suggested page. Now we will click on the create button. We will create on the create button like this. Create your new page. A page is opened, that is create your new page, and there is a button get started. Just at the bottom of this page we will click on that, get started. We will see a new page is opened and there is a text box, that is page name. We have to fill up as per our choice the page name, like tutul artist, like this. Just as for example, we have put this one as a name of this page, and now we will click on the next button like this, the next button. After that we will get a new page, that is what category best describes tutul artist. As tutul is artist, then we have to choose, or we have to search from this text search button, that is what is any category related to artist. Just type artist like this, visual effect artist, or like this, arts and craft store, performance art. There is a lot of options are there. Just I have chosen performance art, and in this way you can put 2 or 3 category over here. Another category, again I can choose art. When I will search artist visual arts, like this, again another category is chosen. In this way you can add up to 3 you can add up to 3 categories, which is written over the search box. Okay, then now I have selected 2 categories. After that I will click on create button, which is on the bottom of this page. Just click on create button. Then a new page will be opened. Finish setting up your page. Now you have to write or fill up these text boxes, like bio. I am a artist uh, for singing like this, whatever it is, I am an artist for singing like this. Then we have to go to next text box, that is website. If you have any website, then you have to put that one, that is your website. Okay, then you have to fill up your email. If there is any email, you can fill up your email. Again, you have a phone number, you can fill up your phone number. Location, as per your location, as per your address, you have to fill up this one also, your address and all this, like this. You have to fill up all this city, zip code, everything. After that, there is the option hours. There is no hours available, always open, standard hours, whatever it may be. If there is a store, you can mention your hours details, and standard hours details are always open. You can choose also always open. For an artist, we can choose always open. Just select this button. After that, we will click on next button. Okay, then we will click on next button. After filling all this, there is another page which is open, that is as the name, in the name of tutorial artist. Then similarly, whichever we have done previously, we have to fill up this. We have to put we have to click on this camera icon, so that we can select a photo for this profile icon. So we will click on this camera. Then you will get it will go to your gallery, and from there just you can choose anyone as per your choice. Just I am clicking on that, so that, just for example, there is a profile picture, it is set in this location. After that, there is a cover page. Your profile picture is on the first thing people see, so we have to fill up all these things. Again, there is a cover picture. You have to select a cover photo over here, and we will again click on this camera, and we will set another profile picture. Just as an example, I have selected this one. This is our cover photo, like this. So after that, after choosing all these photos, we have to click on this next button, like this. We have to click on next button. When we will click on next button, then another page will be opened. Just wait. Another page is already opened, and there is an option contact WhatsApp to your page. You can use your contact number like this, or you can skip. You can use a contact number as a you can put here as a Indian phone code and the phone number here. So we can put our phone number and our country code over here. Just we have to select like this, as we are in India, so we have to select our country, which is India. We have selected India, that is +91, and a whatever it is, a valid phone number, like this, a valid phone number. Actually, please enter a valid number. Actually, we have just entered a number which is just as example, it is not a correct number, that is why it is showing enter a valid number. You have to put a valid number, or you can skip this one now. Just I am skipping this one. After that there will be an option add friends later to help grow your page. You can add friends over here, so you have to click on the next button so that you can add some friends whichever in your Facebook profile or Facebook account. So we will click on next button. After that a page will be open, new page. Stay informed about your page notifications on your profile. The first one, which is I have already opened that one, and another is marketing and promotional about your page. It is also open. Two options are opened so that we can get best result. After that we will click on the next button. Your page is already opened. This is your Facebook page. After clicking on the icon, you can see your page, which is Tutul Artist, like this. So if you scroll down, you can see your profile page picture and all this. From there you can see your Facebook Facebook page is complete. Now you have to give some time for filling all these things like about portion, like you can post some photos and you can post some reels. In this way you can, whatever as per your planning, you can put some informations over here, so that your Facebook page will be well furnished. After that you can see, or you can manage your page. Just click on these three dots over here. You can see this is your page setting. Over here you can edit your page as per your choice. You can edit your pages further, and you can also add buttons here. A lot of options are there. So after that you can manage this page from here. So today it is almost done. We will discuss about these settings later on. Thank you. I hope you have enjoyed this video session very much, and I will request you to subscribe our channel, that is Sukanta Tech Adda, so that you can get all our informations in time. Thank you.